This is the PCBA of a high-end smart board. It looks extremely clean when we check it with our naked eyes, but our customer found the coating defects because the boards were coated directly without cleaning in advance. Now they're planning to use this PCBA cleaning machine to wash the boards and check the cleaning effect. We can see the flux, rosin residue under the microscope, and then we can see it's very dirty. And now we are going to wash it in our cleaning machine. Now we will put this board into the cleaning machine to clean. The cleaning is completed. So let's take out and check under the microscope to see how's the result. So let's go. As we can see under the microscope, the rosin and flux residue already removed. So if you have similar requirement, please leave us a message. Thank you.